Ready, Viking?
Hi.
Here we go, yeah!
They're almost here. Can't wait long that wings. Okay. Getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Earth. No dragons required.
Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yes, seven!
Bronco mast.
Woo!
Bronco mast.
What's going on? What's with all the eggs?
Those legs explode when they hatch, so just keep moving forward. No, forward.
Hey, what are we doing?
Forward, right?
There's dragons everywhere. They're hatching. Woo! Whoa! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yes, Sammy! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo!
That could have gone way worse. Maybe you're right,
Wow.
bud.
What do we
Maybe
say?
there'll never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. Come on, Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. Yeah.